Hello everyone. As always in my channel, the goal is to give you a simple and easy tutorials. So today we will create this abstract animation without using any geometry nodes. So let's get started. First, we select the cube and the light, right click, delete. Now go here in add, in mesh, we select icosphere. You see here a little window. In subdivision, we give it 4. Now, select the object and go in modifier properties, add modifier, generate edge split. Here in edge angle, we give it 0. Now, go here in deform, we select smooth. As you can see, now we have this edge scale and we can play with this. It will be our animation. But first, go and add an empty. I select the sphere. Hold shift and select the icosphere. Go here in object, in parent object. Select the camera, hold shift and select this, go in object, parent object. Now go here in frame 1, in Z axis, I insert a keyframe. Go in the end, and here in Z axis, I give it 316. Right click, insert the keyframe. Now, if we play, we see the camera move and keep the sphere in. Now we select the sphere, go in modifier, generate, add, solidify. I give it maybe 0.2. Now if we play, we have this animation. So enable this, and now if we play, make sure that you are in frame 1, right click, insert the keyframe, and go in the end, right click, insert the keyframe. Now if we play, we have this animation. It's easy to make. Now I want to add a gear. I increase the number here to maybe 40. Here in the radius, I give it 1.5. Here 0.5. Okay, now we select the icosphere. I go in the frame 1. I select the icosphere, the gear, hold shift and select the icosphere. Go in object, link, copy modifier. Now we have the same modifier as in the icosphere. I select the gear. Now we have this animation. So we start here in the frame 1, right click, insert the keyframe, and I go in the end, right click, insert the keyframe. We select the icosphere. We want I go here in frame 120. Right click, insert the keyframe, and they go here in the end. And then I decrease the number maybe to 0.5. Right click, replace the keyframe. Now if we play, we have this cool animation. I select the gear. Here I change it maybe to like this. Replace. Now if we play, I think it's better like this. Okay, now I add a plane, S to scale it, GZ down, the sphere S, I make it bigger, GZ up. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Hit N to close this window. I select the plane, S to scale it. Now we go here. When you see the plus, up, here, go in shader editor. Hit N to close this window. I select the ecosphere. Make it metallic. Now I go here to see. In roughness, I give it 0.1. Select the gear. Make it metallic and give it another color. Maybe like this. And the roughness, I give it 0.1, 2. The plane, you can give it any color you want. Now I go here in the world. In color, we select sky texture. As always, I decrease the number here to 0.2. Here I give it 120. And now I switch to here in the render properties. I go in cycles. Active a GPU if you have one. Here I decrease the number to 0.01. Here I give it 32. Here 0.1. And the samples I give it 100. Active denoising. In light pad, I select all this and I give it 5. Disable this and enable this. Go here in color management and select high contrast. Now, if I switch to viewport shading, now we have if we play, we have this cool abstract animation, easy to do. Maybe I change the roughness here to make it just like this. Now we have tricolor, it's good. You select any image here. So go in the render and render the image. If you want the animation, go here in output properties, as always, you select your resolution. Here, group, and go here and select any folder where you want to be the animation in your computer. Here in PNG, we select FFmpeg video. Encoding, we select MPEG-4. And here, select high quality and go here in render and render your animation. As you can see, it's easy and simple to make. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.